How to set up Watchdog in Wix that checks product availability. To do that, we need to head over to the inventory of our product catalog. So head over here to your catalog, store products, and then click on the inventory right here. Now, once you have done that, this will direct the inventory of your Wix dashboard or your Wix store. Now you can see in here my products. So what we can do is we can just head over and then choose in here product, and we have in here this in stock, and you can put it out of stock. So in order to track the product availability, you can click onto this three dots and click onto this track quantity. Now in here you can just input in here the number in order to track this product's quantity. Then you can input in here a number of the available product that you have. For example, let's put in here 100 as well. And then you can head over and then scroll down and then save this that you have done. Now, once you have saved this part, what you can do next is you can head over and then make sure that you have a report for this. Another method that you can do is you can head over to your Wix Studio App Market. Just head over right here to this icon, then go to your app market and search for inventory. From in there, you can scroll down and here you can see this low inventory alert by Poco. So click on that right there. And as you can see, if you install this product or if you install this app, you will get notified when your stock levels are low. For this one, click onto this add to site option and then just proceed to add this application to your site. Click on this agree and add, and then just wait for it in order to be added. So here's our application right here. You can input right here an alert threshold. So for example, earlier I have inputted 100 stocks of a product. So for example, if the product goes beyond 10, you will get notified whenever any product reaches this level. Now you can input right here your email address to get notified. Once you have added that, click onto this save option. You can input max of 3 email addresses to get notified. For this one, you can also head over to your products and then you can add product that you want to set alert into. Search in here for that product. I'll search in here for dress. And then I'll add this product into my alert and click onto this set alert option. Now threshold is now required for that alert. So input 10 and then it will be set. Now you can also add some more products or it can be just edited right here into the global settings as well as collections. So doing this, you will get notified and you will see if the product is available or low in stock anymore. So that's how you set up Watchdog and Wix that checks product availability. Hope we helped.